Y'all know this shit. Y'all know this shit. Y'all know this shit. A lot of people been saying that. They're better and everything, but I don't really care. At least what I'm trying is my best. Daddy, the big boss. Y'all know this shit. Freestyle, nigga. Just sing this song. I try and made it for y'all. Go. I'm over here singing on the crowd, trying my best, believing on myself. But I know a lot of people don't respect. No, I really wanna be in life. Life's so short to let you dream upon others. Trying my best, working to my hardest. Yeah, making this dream upon me. The words and the words, I know they don't mean nothing for you. But listen over here, I ain't acting like a fool, cause this real nigga working hard. You know, even though the world upon me, my heart keeps pounding and saying you can do it. I've been success in my life, throwing the lights on my enemies, haters. Keep it coming, that's the passage on me, even though they try to bring me down. A lot of people try and bring me down, cause they think I can't make this dream upon me, upon others. Y'all know I wanna be just a rapper just like you. Just trying my best, believing on myself, believing with all my heart. Yeah, I'm just trying to smile with all my heart, without my pride. Hey, yeah, I'm from Houston, Texas. I came over here to Texas and Dallas of Fort Worth. Yeah, trying right here. The only one person I was been trusting in my hood. It's my life and my world. Yeah, there's no words you can explain how much I feel the world. Yeah. Me, y'all people. I'm over here singing on the crowd, trying my best, believing on myself. But I know a lot of people don't respect. Yeah, I really wanna be alive. Life's so short to let you dream about others. Yeah, they're trying my best, working till my heart is, making this dream upon me. Yeah, words and my words, I know they don't mean nothing for you, but listen over here. I ain't acting like a fool, cause this real nigga working hard. Yeah, you know, even though the world upon me, heart keeps pounding, saying you could do it. Heart keep pounding, saying I could do it. I've been success in my life, throwing the lights on my enemies, hater, keep it coming, the passage. Yeah, even though they try and bring me down, cause a lot of people don't believe in me. But I'm from Houston, Texas, over here trying such a way I could bring the South. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, there was one person in the person I've been trusting on my hood, on my life in the world. There's no words you can explain how much I feel the world upon me. Y'all people are here, believing on myself, believing on my crowd. I'm the best. I am acting like the best, but I'm trying my best. Yeah. Yeah. Daddy, the big bar. Reconocido, presente, pasado, mami. Yeah. I'm over here singing on the crowd. Yeah, ya tú sabes cómo lo digo, mami. Go. Best. Daddy. The big bar.